Our Lady of Loreto. Our Lady of Loreto was originally from the town of Loreto, Italy, and where its primary symbol was of the House of Loreto, and believed to be the House of Christ, where he spent 30 years of his private life as a carpenter, until accomplishing his mission as a savior, as claimed by Monsignor Severino M. Sanchez, a parish priest there by San Carlo, Metro Manila. The house was also recognized as a place where Mary was saluted by the angel Gabriel. The home was transported in the 13th century by a team of angels who flew it over to Rosato del Masha in 1291, but people don't believe in it.
What's that? The church? Is that true? Christ is born and living there? Huh? Silly.
Yeah, how did they know? Were they there when Christ was born?
We need a proof for us to believe.
We need proof! We need proof! We need proof!
So, a few years later, the angels safely transported the home to Renante in 1294. Same as what happened with Rosato. People still don't believe in the church. So, the angels decided to move the church to Loreto, where it remained for centuries. People in Loreto really still adores that church.
Wow, it's like a kingdom. Yeah, maybe it's holy. So people in Loreto adores and believes in that church.
The people pray in the church.
And they believe that nothing will be wrong to them if they just believe.